Okay guys, I have a 2008 GMC Acadia. I am showing you how to change the oil pressure switch. This Acadia is 3.6. The ignition pressure switch I already changed it. Here is the old one, and it's easy to change it. Just you need to I remove the cover, this cover, engine cover. Just you need to remove the oil cap, engine oil cap, and pull up. And the first step you need to do it is disconnect the battery. Just this cable is coming from the battery. You need to disconnect here. I put the glove, not touch the metal. Okay, and I take it out. This is the cover for the alternator, the back part, just plastic. Here is the connection for the battery, and just has three nuts. It's easy to remove. When you disconnect the battery, you can disconnect the wires alternator. Is 13 range. Is 13 range. I think so. I don't know where is my range, but it's 13. The range key 13, and this one is 13 nut, and the connector, the nut is 13. You need to remove that one. Here is the cable. Here is the wire. Just disconnect the wire 13 and take it out. The three nut is I use this one. The socket is 8 socket, 8 millimeter. I use the 1/4. I don't know where is the neighbor. Is 8, the 8 millimeter, and that's it. Just remove the three nut and disconnect the battery and take it out the part. And the socket for the oil pressure switch is is over there, 1 inch 1/16. It's a special socket. You can get it also. Yeah, and because there is no space when you try it to put to connect the socket, this cover, so you can, because this cover is straight the oil pressure switch, but when you remove it, it's easy to disconnect. So I take it out the oil pressure switch. And let me show you. Just you need, I already changed it. It's over there. It's over there. Just you need to disconnect that connector green, and the oil pressure switch. Just you need to connect the green connector and put the socket, and that's it. It's easy to change it. Just remove the alternator cover, and it's easy to come. Hopefully this video will help you. It's easy to change it. You can do it, guys. Okay, see you next time.